salad season, and while this dish looks beautiful, it also shines with fresh, strong flavors. Tami Steggell is going to show us the steps for her Blackberry Avocado Feta salad. Good to see you, sister.
Good to see you.
We were just sharing our love over blackberries. They're kind of an underappreciated fruit.
Very underappreciated. They're so delicious when they're fresh, and we're headed into blackberry season, which is officially summer.
Okay.
But I wanted to feature this salad now because I feel like it's so pretty. It could be used for Mother's Day.
Well, and when you say pretty, the way you're serving it is part of that aesthetic. And you want us to think of salad assembly like a charcuterie board.
Yes, this particular one, we just want that kind of a beautiful layout like the charcuterie board. And so what we're doing, it's so simple. We're taking a peppery arugula lettuce to get that nice peppery bite to
Do you say arugula?
I say arugula.
Arugula, is that how I should say it?
That's how I say it.
That's how I'm gonna say it too. That feels very, very official.
So, and then what we're doing is it has cucumbers, it has blueberries and blackberries, if you would like to add a few of those. And then I just kind of lay it around like I'm trying to build a pretty picture.
Okay, okay.
And then what we're going to do is top it off with a little bit of feta and some sliced avocado.
Tami was giving the feta the chef crumble as we prepared kind of our sample out front. But this does have all the colors and all the flavors. And we talk about this salad and we talk about its flavor. The dressing really becomes kind of the star component, right?
It is. And so this is a lime citrus vinaigrette that I have added some shallots to and some fresh mint that I've chopped up very finely. And that is just gonna like bring everything together. So you have the bright, beautiful berries, you've got the crunchy cucumber, you have the crunchy hazelnuts, these are toasted, and then that salty, creamy feta, and then we're just gonna lay some more creamy avocado.
Do you like to dress a salad before you serve it, or do you like dressing on the side?
I like to dress it right before I serve it. But if it were for a party, then yes, I would dress it.
Look how beautiful, the blue and green aesthetic, you're right. Great for Mom's Day, but great to have this spring salad recipe in your arsenal tucked up your sleeve. And the dressing, I think, just takes the cake. That mint, may I just smell?
Delicious.
So fresh.
Bright citrus. And
so fresh. Tami, thank you. You're always so gracious to provide this recipe for us on our website. It will be there after the show. Where can we get more great food ideas from you?
You can go to bitemeindustries.com and find all kinds of recipes and salad ideas for Mother's Day.
Thanks for inspiring us always. Lunch looks good today.